Crazy Chef, we're not just here for your entertainment purposes, because I know I'm not entertaining. Zero comedian capability. That's what I have. Can't make you laugh. Beat that out. But I can be here for your educational purposes. Today we're going to talk about things the customers do in the Jamaican restaurant that piss off the counter person and the chef. Counter person being the lady with no customer service capability. So imagine pissing off the lady with zero customer service capability. We're going to talk about the things you say that pisses her off. Then we're going to talk about the answers that piss off the customers. Crazy Chef, I'm here for your knowledge, not your entertainment. Welcome to another episode of the Jamaican restaurants do's, don't. We don't know if we're a podcast or if we're a cooking channel. That could be a slogan. But anyway, I think the first thing the customer do that piss off the counter person slash person with no customer service capability is ask if the soup is ready. Like, why would you ask if the soup is ready? You know the soup's not ready, right? So you go in here like, the soup's ready, and she looked at you like that. Doesn't even have to say nothing, right? Another thing is, are you open? You go in, you open the door, you go in, and then he says, you open? Obviously, we're just not ready for you yet, right? Another thing that I think is during service, right? That I think is, and it's a frequent one that I'm talking about the frequent ones you hear, right? So another thing I think is the curry gravy or the oxtail gravy, right? And this I think is so this one I think goes both ways, right? The customers want curry gravy, right? Or oxtail gravy. I think the owners want you to get a combo, right? Because to get so much curry gravy or so much oxtail gravy, you gotta stretch the shit out, right? So we, the chefs, the cooks, have to make the oxtail or the curry goat. Then we gotta add more liquid so we can get curry gravy for 200 people, right? So the curry gravy is not for necessarily serve on the fried chicken. The curry gravy is supposed to be served with the curry goat. So I think, with that being said, get a combo. So instead of getting a small, excuse my French, get a medium, half goat or oxtail, half chicken. It's easier. Or you just get fried chicken with fried chicken gravy, where most restaurants don't have fried chicken gravy. Like, that's part of the problem. As I said, you'll get the ones from the chef, ones from the owners, and the ones from the customers. So that's one from the owners. Like, how do you not have fried chicken gravy? What are we gonna eat with the fried chicken? What if we don't eat meat? Where are we gonna get the gravy? So now you're forcing us to eat ketchup, which is all sugar, right? So that's a problem to be fixed. Then I think another good one is let's see. So we did the curry gravy with, soup ready, are you open, blah blah blah, right? So another good one is extra rice. extra rice. There's no such thing. There's a thing though that's called a side of rice, which is $5 or $3.50, whatever the price is. But there's no extra rice. There's already too much rice. There's already too much rice. Now we put in extra rice. Calories. So extra rice is a problem. We want to eliminate extra rice. Right? Fried plantain. Extra fried plantain. No. You can't get extra. You gotta pay. So you gotta buy a side of it, or you can say no vegetable, more plantain. It's better. This way, you know, as I said, customer, owner, right? So more plantain, but no veg. But we're not gonna give you the veg, give you extra plantain. No. Another thing is that I think this one's a big one, right? So you go in and it's like, yo, you got fish? Oh, soon ready. No. So the owner's you gotta stay ahead of things, you know. You gotta have a couple fish each time. You don't have to do a lot, but you have to have fish, right? You don't have to do a lot, but if I come for lunch, right? I'm at work, I want to get some lunch, but today I want to get fish. I gotta eat that fish. I gotta, you know, lemon down, clean up, and go back to work, not having the office or wherever I work smell like the fish market. So we gotta figure that out. Do a couple at a time. Those are gone. You do a couple more. But we can't wait for the fish. We're gonna get something else, right? Another thing is the fried chicken run out. Yo, come on, fried chicken. Oh, I already now 15 minutes. My lunch time is a half an hour. Fried chicken is the number one thing, right? And it took me 10 minutes to get here. So I gotta wait 25 minutes for the food. I don't have enough time to go back to work. Get it? Time sensitive? Yeah. So let's not have the fried chicken run out. Don't run out the fried chicken. Keep it coming. Keep frying chicken. You know, keep frying chicken. It's only 3 o'clock. You close at 9. You close at 9. Keep frying chicken. Alright, next thing. Yo, my general. There's another rice and peas, and that's white rice. It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. Why are we out of rice and beans? It's 1 o'clock. One comes off, one goes on. That's how we do it. We take one off, we put one on. We're serving this one, but we're making this one. Get it? It's like a rotation. So we're gonna try not to run out of rice and beans, right? Another thing too is like, you know, white rice. Oh, you say I'll cook some later. When are we cooking the shit? The curry is ready. The curry goat's ready. What happened to the white rice? What's going on with the white rice? The goat's ready. The rice should be ready. Curry goat and white rice. So we gotta fix that too, right? Another thing too is the drinks. You know those drinks in the bottles? Too much ginger. too much ginger. Because you have a ginger beer, right? You have a pineapple ginger. Don't put any ginger in the fruit punch. You have a ginger beer. If I wanted ginger, I'd get the ginger beer or the pineapple ginger. But don't put any ginger in the fruit punch. Another one too is the ketchup bottle, right? Clean it. Am I the only one that doesn't like that crusty thing on my ketchup? And the pepper, open it. Take the seal off. It's like you get it from the store, just put it right there. Open it. We want it to be open. But anyway, that's just my problem, you know. It's not your problem, it's my problem. I got the issues, you know. See, it's just, for me, I like to eat, you know. Not the skinniest person in the world. I like to eat. And if I'm gonna go get food, I want to get good quality food. I don't even care about the service, because you know the service is bad, right? It's like if you go to Popeyes, you know the service is bad. If you go to a Jamaican spot, you know the service is bad. They don't give you good service. So if you're not giving good service and you're not giving good food, let's talk about it, right? We're not getting good service and you don't want to give us good food. What are we getting? What are we getting? What are you offering? But as I said, it's my problem. Crazy Chef, you know, it's a vibe. I think, you know, the views are right, you know. I see the support. Yeah, I see you supporting your boy. But keep the support coming. Next podcast I think is Monday. I think I'm gonna have a guest. That's what you call it, right? A guest. So I'm gonna be the host. Next person is gonna be the guest.